Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So we have the AIRSSON mini bike pump here. You can use it for bike or basketballs, volleyballs, things like that. We did an unboxing video, but this right here is what comes in the box, and so maybe you don't even have to watch that video. The only part we're kind of unsure about is this part here, which is, we think, a wall mount, so you can easily clip it on and strap it right there to a wall, keep it easily accessible. Or maybe even use it and you can get it and hook it to a bike if you need it for doing that. So we're not going to try it with a bike. You can see that will work with a bike pump right there. But we are going to do this here for a basketball. It comes with a needle for basketball. You can just screw it in right there. Screws into the threaded. And then we can go ahead and start doing that. Seems to be working well. All right, so I put it into the ball, and actually I stopped the video real quick. We started to have some issues with this, so we screwed in the needle for the basketball, and then I start to pump it, so you can hear that it's pumping inside the basketball. But the problem is, if this moves ever so slightly, the threading does not hold, which is a major problem because now I can't fill up the basketball properly. So if you see here, and I can't figure out any other way to do this because it is threaded for this. Let's see if we can get back out. So there's the threading, right? It's threaded inside. Should be able to just easily thread it. Spins nice and easy. Going in there. Doesn't want to come out. Keep spinning. And even that, it doesn't want to totally hold. It's kind of weird. So it gets, now it feels like it's locked in place. I'm gonna go ahead and do that again. Put it in. Now it's not creating a good seal at all. So this right here, this is not working for me at all, and that just kind of comes right back out. Okay, so we tried it a few times. It does not work, and we looked at the directions on here, and it just says, screw it into the valve, which we did, and we do that. It does not screw in all the way. It does not thread 100% properly, and when we do get it tight and put it into the ball, if it moves at all, forget it. It just starts leaking air all over. So we're going to say that does not work. Not too excited about that piece. And then we're going to try it. I dragged out one of my daughter's bikes, so I'm going to try that here. That is hard to get on by itself, but let's go ahead. Alright, so I don't know how you're supposed to do this with one hand. This is not even enough room. This is not going too good for this. Alright, so nope. Nope. I am not liking this pump at all. Okay. I mean, it should not be that hard. This is not working either, even with the bike. And I'm pretty sure you're not gonna, you can thread it, but the problem is if you thread these, you run the risk of twisting the valve out. You don't want to do that. So that's working when I did the threading. And it is working, so I guess they want you to thread it, but my recommendation is if you do thread it, that make sure that you hold the valve as well in place. And then right here, oh, there you go, letting some air out. There, it shows you the different PSI levels, but I don't know if I can see. Is it moving at all? I don't think so. Yeah, and that's already coming out. I'm not a fan of this. And the other thing is, the other ones that you see in the store where you just clip it on and fold it down, much easier, and you can probably get one that's small. So this is the AIRSSON portable bike and ball pump. I mean, it is a nice design. Right there, nice design, good idea with the wall mount or bike mount, but it just does not work. So again, I looked at the different information here on the card that it came with. Should have been pretty straightforward and easy, but it was not, and I'm not recommending this at all. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Now I gotta go find the other pump that works and get that all ready to go. Make sure to like and subscribe, smash the like button again below, and we'll see you soon.